Chiquita, and in this video I will be sharing with you things that I have collected over the time for my business. My business is pretty much it's gonna have lip gloss and handbags. So when I launch, that's what's gonna be available for purchase. Lip gloss and my handbags. I will be adding things on along as I go, but I don't want to overdo everything. I just want to focus on one thing at a time, and it's easy to do the lip gloss and the bags and then add everything else. It's easy for me. So these are all of my my lip gloss tubes. I have little ones and I have the bigger ones. These I just got today. I need to sanitize these. That's why they're not in the Ziploc bag. So these ones are pretty much this right here. This is what they look like. And then these, here's what my little one looks like. That's what that's looking like. Yeah. And then I have all of my colors. These are samples. For the most part, the colors that I'm going to be going with is going to be this. I'm going to mix this color with this one. I'm doing this one right here. And I'm going to do my gold. And I'm doing clear. And then I don't know about this one yet. This is like a yellow, like a really bright yellow. I'm definitely going with this color because I really like this color. My silver holographic glitter and my regular gold glitter with the clear. This one I don't really like. I probably use it as just like a tint, because it's really strong. It's, you know what, I am actually going with this one. I changed my mind. I'm going with that one. So those are going to be my colors, a lot. And I just got this white to like tone any color down if I need to tone it down, make it soft or whatever, what have you. And what's next? This right here is for my facial oil. Like I said, I will be adding more products along as I launch. But this is for my facial oils, and these are the lids for them. I got some of these to seal the lip gloss, so you pretty much well, it's supposed to open, and the lip gloss tube will go right inside, and then I would seal it down. I would then seal it down with the hot gun, the hot air gun. And I tested it out. I just got this today. I tested it out and I was really amazed, like, wow. I have my lip gloss base. I have my syringes, and this is just one of the oils that I have, but I have more oils. And then I got my labels, and the labels that this is for my lip gloss. And this is the Desktop Publishing brand. And it came with 80 sheets. No, it's 80 per sheet. I said 80 sheets. So it's 80 per sheets, and it's 10 sheets. So in total, 800 labels. I forgot what you call these. Connectors to the syringes. These were some lip gloss that I made when I first started putting everything together. Let me take them out. So this one is my chamomile lip gloss. I love this one. Just a color that I mixed up together I mixed up the color together. And that's what I got. That's what I came up with. I really like this one too. This one is sage. It's either sage or peppermint. This one, it's got to be peppermint. This one is hibiscus. This one is my glitter gloss, my gold glitter gloss. This one is the sage, and this one is peppermint. So sage and peppermint. Sage is really good. So you're not just getting any old regular schmegler lip gloss. You're getting lip gloss that your lips can actually benefit from. You know what I'm saying? All right, so now let's move on to the handbags. And now if you anything like me, I love me some handbags. Okay, so this is one of the bags that's going to be available on my site. I love it so much. This is another bag. Ooh. It looks like this. It's very little, you know, like, and it comes with a really long string. I'm not gonna take it all out because it's long enough to go around, you know, your whole body and rest on your waist. Here's the black one. Here's the white one. I still didn't get all my bags. It's like taking forever. It's taking forever. I'm happy that I found a better vendor that ships a lot faster that I can go with, and that's who I'll be ordering my bags from. My next one is this Chloe bag. I didn't even know Chloe was a thing. I didn't even know Chloe was $1,200, but this is Chloe. And get down. This is what she looks like. When I first opened this bag, I fell in love. It's so little, but it's heavy. And in the back, it has like a little card slot for you to put your, it's a good spot to put your ID, because, you know, sometimes you gotta always pull it out. This metal is so legit. And then the inside, the quality on this bag is A1. And then the next bag that I have is this one right here. It's gonna come in the box. It's just like this. So it comes with the box. It comes with the dust bag. I'm not gonna open it up. If you go on my Instagram, my business Instagram page, Lavish Brown Skin, I do have a video up of this bag from inside and out, and as well as Chloe. And this is what it looks like off, you know. I don't want to take these off. The strap, and then on the inside, and it has there's a card on the inside, and it looks really nice. I don't want to take it out, but if you want to see it, just go to my Instagram page. The video is there. I'm gonna do this giveaway on my Instagram page, so if you want to snatch you a little bag, a little cute bag at that, because I would still wear it. Stop. And it does come with it comes with the chain so that it can hang on the side of your body. And this is what it looks like on the inside. I'm gonna be giving them away because this is not an item that I want in my store, and instead of returning it, I just came up with that good idea of doing a giveaway. Why not do a giveaway? So if you're interested in getting you one of these bags for absolutely free, no shipping, no nothing, completely free, all you have to do is be subscribed to my channel and be following my Facebook, my business Facebook, and my business Instagram. So make sure you're following me on all 3 platforms so that you don't miss any of the notifications. I will be posting more information about the giveaway there. All right, so product wise, that's really all that I have. Like I said, the scents for my lip gloss is coming, and I still have those 2 luxury bags. And then once I get the scents for my lip gloss, I'm gonna fill up my tubes. I have about 100 tubes that I'm starting with. Fill those up, and once those are filled, I'll be ready to launch. So besides products, my website is up. I just need to add the rest of my products. I already have a good amount of handbags on there that I'll be selling. The only bags that's going to ship out right away will be the only ones that I have on hand. Everything else is just going to be pre-order for now. Today, I just got notice that my business is finally registered. What happened was it took almost a month. It took pretty much there was 2 errors on there. So make sure you go, when you apply for your registration, you go over it, because if you have 5 errors, they're going to send it to you 5 times for each error, which is so ridiculous and a waste of people's time. So just take your time, go over it. If you need help, get help. I also created a checklist which is pretty much a list of all the steps that I've took. So with the checklist, I have, it's not just a list of things that you just check off. I also have links to everywhere that you need to go to get things done, except for registering your business, because it's different for each state. I think I titled it 7-figure business checklist. So 7-figure business checklist. If you're, trying to start your business and could use a little guidance, go ahead, check out the link in the description section, and it'll take you directly to the checklist. So you can start checking things off your list, and you have all the sources right there. You know where to go. You don't have to go to Google. You don't have to go to Susie. You don't have to go to Pam. It's right there. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful to you. I hope you take advantage of that business checklist, and let's get these coins. Let's get these business up and running and started and successful. Peace.